Today we will discuss about relation between HCF and LCM of two numbers. To understand the relation between HCF and LCM for two numbers, let us take first two number. Suppose two numbers are 4 and 6. First we will find the HCF of 4 6 and also the LCM of 4 and 6. Let us first find these two. To find the HCF, I am going through the division method. So here 4 1 is 4, 2 remainder. By this remainder we will divide again the divisor 4. 2 2 is 4. Here is completed the division and it is completed by this 2. Last remainder is 2. So we get the HCF of 4 and 6 equal to 2. Now let us find the LCM of 4 and 6 by short division method. I am doing it. 2 can divide 4 and 6. 2 2 is 4, 2 3 is 6. 2 and 3 are prime numbers to each other. So LCM of 4 and 6 become 2 2 into 3. 2 multiply 2 multiply 3. 2 2 is 4, 3 is 12. So we get HCF of these two number is 2 and LCM is 12. Now if we find the product of the numbers, that is the number are 4 and 6, we get 24. Moreover, if we multiply HCF and LCM of these same numbers, we are getting again 12 into 2, that is 24. So here we are getting HCF of 4 and 6 multiply LCM of 4 and 6 equal to 2 multiply 12, it is 24. So both the product of the numbers and product of the HCF and LCM same for two numbers. So we can say that product of the numbers equal to their HCF multiply LCM. But this is hold only for two numbers. So these things is just for a just is a formula, the relation. This is the relation between HCF and LCM. HCF and LCM product equal to product of the given numbers. So this is the we will take as a first formula of the relation. With this formula we can find another formula, two numbers. Suppose we have to find the LCM whenever the product is given and also HCF is given. So we can find LCM by product of the numbers divided by HCF, and if LCM is given and product is given, we can also find the HCF. From the same one number we can find product of the numbers divided by LCM. So these are the certain formula which comes from the relation between HCF and LCM. Okay. Now coming to the some problems related to the relation of HCF and LCM. There is a word problem, one number. Find HCF and LCM of 72 and 96 and verify that 72 multiply 96 equal to HCF of 72 96 and LCM of 72, 96, their product. Okay. So first let us find the HCF and LCM of 72 and 96. Both we will find by short division method, because we can do in single step. 72 and 96, each of these is divisible by 2. 2 36 is 72, 2 48 is 96. Now again 2 can divide each of this. 2 18 is 16, 2 24 is 48. Again 2 can divide each of this. 2 9 is 18, 2 12 is 24. Now 3 can divide each of 9 and 12. 3 3 is 9, 3 4 is 12. 3 and 4 are prime. 3 and 4, there is no common factor between 3 and 4. So stop here. First we will stop here and write down the HCF of 72 and 96 equal to product of only these numbers. We will not take 3 and 4. The numbers which we get exactly divides each of these factors. 2 2 2 and 3. 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 3, we get 2 2 is 4, 4 2 is 8, 8 3 is 24. So HCF of 72 and 96 become 24. Okay. Now 3 and 4 are here. We can find the LCM of 72 and 96 from here only. But in that case we have to take all these factors. 2 2 2 3 and 3 and 4. 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 4. Find the product. 2 2 is 4, 2 is 8, 3 is 24, 24 3 is 72. 72 multiply 4, 2 4 is 8, 2 7 is 28. 288 become the LCM. So first we get the HCF of the numbers. This is one answer. LCM of the number, this is another answer. Now next we have to verify this result. The product of this 72 and 96 equal to HCF of the numbers and LCM of the number, their product. Let us first find 72 into 96. What become? If we multiply 72 and 96, we get 6912. Now HCF and LCM we already get. If we multiply HCF of 72 and 96 multiply by LCM of the same numbers, that is 24. HCF is 24, LCM is 288. If we multiply these two, we get the same result, 6912. So product of the numbers and this product of the HCF and LCM becomes same. So the result is verified. We just only write that 72 multiply 96 equal to HCF of 7296 multiply LCM of 7296, and it is verified. This completes the problem. So here again we have established the relation between HCF and LCM, taking another two numbers 72 and 96. Now coming to the next problem, here is problem number 2. The product of two numbers is 1512 and the HCF of the numbers is 6. Find the LCM. So here product of the numbers given, HCF also given, you have to find the LCM. First we will note down product of the numbers is 1512 and HCF equal to 6. Therefore, we will use the formula for LCM, that product of the numbers divided by their HCF. So that means 1512 by HCF is 6. Let us simplify it. We can divide each of this number by 2. 2 3 is 6, 2 7 is 14, 2 5 is 10, 2 6 is 12. Again 3 can divide this, 3 1 is 3, 3 2 is 6, 3 5 is 3 2 is 6, 1 3 5 is 15 and 3 2 is 6. So we get 252 by 1, that means 252. So LCM become 252. This become the answer. Okay. Next, coming to the next problem, next word problem number 3. The product of two numbers is 1920 and LCM of these numbers is 120. Find their HCF. You have to find their HCF whenever product is given and LCM is given. So here product of the numbers equal to 1920. Okay, and LCM is also given 120. We will find HCF and there is formula HCF equal to product of the numbers divided by LCM. So here product of the number is 1920 and divided by 120. To simplify it, we can first cancel 0 and 0. Now 12 can divide 192. 12 1 is 12, 12 6 is 72, 16 we are getting. If we divide 192 by 12, we get 16. So the HCF become 16. This is the answer. Now passing to the next problem, problem number 4. The LCM and HCF of two numbers are 192 and 8 respectively. If one of the numbers is 24, find the other. So here LCM is given 192 and HCF is given 8, and one of the number is given 24. We have to find the other number. We will use the relation between HCF and LCM. What is the relation? That product of the two numbers equal to LCM multiply HCF. So here we get product of the numbers equal to LCM is 192 and HCF is 8. So 192 multiply 8. Let us multiply it. 8 2 is 16, 6, 1 carry, 8 9 is 72 plus 1 73, 7 carry, 8 1 is 8 plus 7 15. 1536 is the product of the two numbers. Now one of the number is given. What is it? 24. So we have to find the other number. So product of the two number is given, one of the number is given. So to find the other number we have to divide, therefore the other number is the product divided by 24. Let us divide it. Three digit we will take. 24 6 ja 144, subtract 96, 24 4 ja 96, this complete the division, result is 64. So this become the another number, this become the answer. So students, here we have discussed about the relation and how to apply the relation of HCF and LCM in word problems. Hope you have understood, and with this topic our chapter is completed here. Thank you and goodbye.